All right, everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see a kind of magic that happens in Apache Beam on the Google Cloud Dataflow. So first, take a look at this order.csv file. So this is just a simple data file which I have picked for the demonstration purpose. So it's a simple data set, isn't it? But one thing you observe here is the timestamps are not arranged at all. Right, so here you can see the order which is placed at 10:001 second is appeared at the bottom, and the order which is placed at 10:0015 second is appeared on the top. And also you can see the data is completely shuffled, nothing is grouped, nothing is in order, isn't it? Now what I did is I took the same file, the orders.csv, and I sent it to the Apache Beam running on Dataflow. And what I applied something is the windowing. Now, what exactly the windowing is? So windowing means the data flow basically groups the data based on the time. The time when this order got processed. Right, so let's run this demo and see what actually happens here. So I will deploy this pipeline to Google Cloud Dataflow. Then we will look at the output and analyze it step by step, so that you will get clearly understand how exactly the windowing works under the hood, guys. So after that, I will quickly walk through this simple code, and also I upload this to GitHub as well. So link will be in the description and you can try it yourself as well. Right, so the main goal here is simple. So we are going to see how this windowing magic actually works in Apache Beam. Make sense? So without wasting any time, guys, let me deploy this to the Apache Beam, and let me deploy this to Google Cloud Dataflow. Let the job run and you will be wondered how exactly the windowing works in the Google Cloud's Dataflow. Make sense? So let's run this code and we'll wait for some time. Let the pipeline run, or the deploy and Google Cloud Dataflow. Let the pipeline run and boom, we'll be done with your demo. Okay, let it run. I think it's running. All right, the Apache Beam code is successfully deployed to Google Cloud Dataflow. Now you can see the status here as well. So let me just click this and we'll see that our pipeline is running absolutely fine on Dataflow. So once this job gets completed, we will go to the Google Cloud Storage and you will see the output which is done by the windowing aspect. Make sense? Perfect. So let it run. I think there won't be any errors because it's running successfully. Let's wait for some time and we will go to the Google Cloud Storage where you can see the output there. Still it's running. So this is running, this is starting, this is getting started, it's starting, boom. Yep, so let's wait for this job to run. It may take some nearly some time, like 2 minutes to 3 minutes. We'll wait for that. All right, so looks like everything is succeeded. Parse CSV done, add timestamp is done, windowing is done, format succeeded, write to GCS succeeded. Perfect. So this code, this Apache Beam pipeline worked perfectly fine in Dataflow. So now comes the important step where we want to see the results, how exactly the windowing has happened. Right, so this is the bucket which I have used for demonstration, and we have mentioned this in code as well. When we walk through the code, we can see that, and later I'll go to the output because this is the path where I have created. This is the path where exactly the Beam will create a new file with the order data based on the Windows aspect. So let me just show you how the things works perfectly fine. Now you can see that my data is organized based on the window. It means that the window is applied perfectly fine on our code. All right, so now what we'll do is we will analyze the results and we'll see how exactly the windowing has been applied in the data flow from our Apache Beam pipeline. Yeah, so for this, what I will do, I will just grab a screenshot of this through this snipping tool so that I can mark it wherever needed. So you will get a better understanding, guys. Right? So this is the windowing or the data which is organized based on the timestamp windows, and this is my actual data which is not organized. Now you can see that window number one. So let me, how many windows are there? Window number one, we have two. This is window one and this is window two, and the order ID is 2. Let me say where the order ID is 2. Yes, see that the window has been divided into 10 seconds, right? So here order number 1 and order number 2, let me check what is its timestamp. So here you can see the timestamp of order number 1 and order number 2, which belongs to window 1, right? So this order is placed at 10:00:01 second, and this is placed at 10:00:04 second. It means that what happens is I have created the windowing for 10 seconds, right? 10, next 10 seconds, next 10 seconds. It will go like that. Now if you'll see window 2, we have 1, 2 and 3, right? So let's see order number 6, which window it belongs to. Here you see order number 6, this belongs to 0018, this belongs to second window. And let's see which window order number 5 belongs to. It's over here, and you can see this belongs to window 2 because look at the timestamp, it's 10:00:15. So from 10:00:11 to 10:00:20, only these two orders were placed, and this is how exactly the windowing works, guys, right? Perfect. So now let's go and see our code at a very high level so that you will get a clear understanding. All right, so now this is my code. First I have imported all the required stuff, as simple as that. And then I read the CSV from Google Cloud Storage line by line, and this is the method which it does. Then I pass each record and assign its timestamp. So this is going to be very important because the windowing is based on the timestamp. And this is not a group by function, guys. This is the organization of your data based on timestamp only, because windowing clearly works on the timestamps only, right? Then I pass each record and assign its timestamp like we did here. After that, I applied a fixed window time. So this part of the code is absolutely important. There we go. Here I have applied a fixed window time. It means that I have created a fixed windows of 10 seconds each. And this is how the segregation is based on this particular timestamp where we have applied as a part of fixed windows, right? And that's it, just a few steps, and rest are all like they are simple, I mean self-explanatory. Anyhow, I will share this code in GitHub. Link will be in the description. Try it yourself with different kinds of data and validate the results in the Google Cloud Storage. So that's all in this video, guys. See you in the next video very soon. Thank you and have a good day.